Hello, welcome back to Learn English Slow. Please relax, you do not need to memorize anything. Just listen, and when you are ready, repeat after me. Today we are learning English slowly. That is perfect. Please listen while I tell you the English words for today. Early, late, first, last, soon, already, still, tomorrow, yesterday, again, week, year. Good, let us continue. Now, listen and repeat the words after me. Early, early, late, late, first, first, last, last, soon, soon, already, already, still, still, tomorrow, tomorrow, yesterday, yesterday, again, again, week, week, year, year. Very good, well done. Now, let us join some of the words. Listen first. Early morning, early morning. Late night, late night. First time, first time. Last year, last year. See you soon, see you soon. I am ready, I am ready. I am still here, I am still here. Tomorrow I work, tomorrow I work. Yesterday I worked, yesterday I worked. I try again, I try again. This week, this week. Next year, next year. Very good. Take your time. Now, we will listen to a short story about the words for today. Yesterday I was late. Today I am early. It is my first week at work. I am still learning. Tomorrow I try again. Soon I feel better. This year I learn English. Slowly. Very good. Let us listen to the words one more time. Early, late, first, last, soon, already, still, tomorrow, yesterday, again, week, year. Excellent. Okay, that is the end of lesson 8. You listened to the words, you repeated the words. That is enough for today. Well done. I will see you in the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe.